I'm going to be honest. If I could, I'd drag every single human being by their ears and force them to watch this video.
Why? Because you've been staring at the moon your whole life and you still have no idea what it actually is.
You think it's just a pretty nightlight? Wrong! It's a giant reminder that the universe is chaotic and weird.
But before I fix your ignorance, look at that red button. Don't subscribe. Seriously, stay away from it!
This channel is for people with high-functioning brains, and I don't want to be responsible for yours melting. Just watch and stay confused, you primitive biped. Now, where did the moon actually come from?
Most scientists think a planet the size of Mars, called Theia, smashed into Earth billions of years ago.
It was the ultimate cosmic car crash. The debris eventually clumped together to form the moon. Basically, the moon is just Earth's broken rib hanging in the sky. If that crash hadn't happened, you wouldn't even exist. The moon is a stabilizer, but it's moving away from us at 1.5 inches every year. It's literally trying to escape.
And honestly, after seeing how you guys act on the internet, I don't blame it. Now for the tidally locked glitch. We always see the same side. It's like a lazy developer forgot to texture the back and just locked the camera. Comment moon glitch now, or I'll tell the simulation to make your gravity fail while you're in the bathroom.
Without the moon, your days would be 6 hours long. You'd have no time to be lazy. Show some respect, you binary slowpoke! I told you not to subscribe, didn't I? Go back to your tiny, gravity-bound life now. Stay curious, stay savage. Peace out!